You open the app to watch one video. You look up, and 45 minutes have vanished, and you cannot name a single thing you saw. That is not weak willpower. These apps were engineered to rewire your brain, and right now, they are winning. So do not blame yourself. On one side is you, tired after a long day. On the other is a $100 billion machine tuned by thousands of engineers whose only job is to keep your thumb moving. It was never a fair fight. And it takes more than your time. Little by little, it reshapes how your brain works, how long you can focus, and how much of ordinary life starts to feel boring. Here is exactly how it happens, step by step. Chapter 1. Every single swipe is you pulling the lever on a slot machine. Most clips are just fine, forgettable. But every so often one is amazing, and you never know which swipe will finally hand it to you. That unpredictable payoff is the most addictive pattern we know of. It is the exact trick that keeps casinos rich. Your brain cannot walk away from a maybe, so it keeps you pulling one more time, one more swipe, just in case. Each swipe that lands drips a little dopamine into your brain's reward circuit, the chemical that tags something as worth chasing. Swipe, reward, hundreds and hundreds of times in a single sitting. This is the same wiring that makes gambling so hard to quit, which is why slot machines are banned for kids. The feed just moved that exact machine into your pocket, made it free, and handed one to everybody. And the app never makes you wait or choose. The next video is already playing before you decide. There is no natural stopping point built in, so the one moment that never comes is the one where you would normally think, okay, that is enough. And it is free, it is everywhere, and it is built to open almost before you decide to. The single most addictive machine ever designed now lives in 1 billion pockets, running all day, including yours right now. Chapter 2. Here is the cruel twist. Dopamine does not actually make you happy. It does not deliver pleasure. It delivers wanting, the itch to reach for the next thing, whether or not the next thing turns out to be any good. So you can scroll for a solid hour, feel a constant low buzz of wanting, and end up feeling strangely empty. You were not really enjoying it. You were chasing the next hit, a bit like being hungry for a photo of food. It is like reading a menu forever and never eating. Your eyes stay busy and your wanting stays fed, but the part of you that actually needed rest or fun or connection is left completely untouched. This is why you can feel exhausted and still reach for your phone the second you have nothing to do. The wanting system never says thank you and never feels full. It just keeps whispering more, one more, forever. And when you finally stop, there is no satisfaction, no memory, no rest, just a faint, hollow feeling and the vague sense you were robbed. That is the difference between liking something and simply being kept. Chapter 3. Your brain hates being flooded, so it defends itself. After enough fast dopamine, it turns down its own volume, quietly removing receptors so the very same swipe delivers a smaller and smaller kick over time. To cope, it quietly unplugs some of its own dopamine receptors, a bit like pulling the batteries out of a smoke alarm that keeps shrieking. The alarm gets quieter, but now you barely feel the good things either. That is tolerance, the same thing that happens with any drug. To feel the old buzz, you now need more. More videos, faster cuts, louder, wilder, shorter. The bar keeps rising and yesterday's fun no longer clears it. Now the real cost lands. Next to that fire hose, ordinary life, a walk, a chat, a slow afternoon feels painfully flat. Real life starts to feel like watching paint dry in standard definition, and you did not even notice it fading. And because it creeps in slowly, you never catch it happening. You just quietly decide that life got boring, that you got lazy, that nothing is fun anymore, never once suspecting the feed quietly moved the goalposts on you. Hobbies feel like too much effort. Conversations feel too slow. Even things you used to love feel a little gray. That is not weakness, and it is not always depression. It is your reward system recalibrated to only answer the extreme. Chapter 4. Every skill you practice, your brain makes easier. And thousands of times a day, you are practicing one very specific skill. The instant you feel the tiniest flicker of boredom, you make it disappear with a swipe. So your brain learns a dead simple rule. Boredom equals swipe, discomfort equals escape. You drill it rep after rep until sitting with a single thought for more than a few seconds starts to feel almost physically uncomfortable. So now you try to read a book, sit through a lecture, or listen to a friend tell a long story, and your mind claws for a swipe that is not there. Focusing on one slow thing feels like trying to run in shoes full of sand. It quietly wrecks memory too. When your attention is shredded into 3-second bursts, almost nothing gets stored properly, which is exactly why you can watch 100 clips and recall none of them an hour later. And deep focus is where the best things live. Real learning, real work, big ideas. They all need long, unbroken attention. Trade that away for endless quick hits, and you slowly lose the very ability that makes hard things possible. Chapter 5. And you are not fighting a dumb feed. Every second you watch, pause, replay, or scroll past is data. The algorithm is quietly drawing a scarily accurate map of exactly what grabs you and refuses to let go. It learns your weak spots, the topics, the faces, the sounds you cannot resist, then dangles them right when your guard is lowest, late at night, or when you are sad. The bait is custom cut for you, and it gets sharper every day. Behind the scenes, it runs experiments on billions of people at once, testing tiny tweaks to see what keeps thumbs moving one more minute. It has already learned from everyone the fastest way to hold your attention specifically. Feed it a few hundred videos, and it can often predict what will hook you before you feel it yourself. In a very real way, the algorithm understands your impulses faster and better than you consciously do. So when you promise yourself just 5 minutes, be honest about who you are negotiating with. It is playing chess while you play checkers, and it never gets tired, never gets bored, and never logs off. The house always wins. Chapter 6, and finally, some good news. The same feature the apps exploit is the one that can free you. Your brain is not carved in stone. It is more like clay, constantly reshaping itself around whatever you do the most. This is neuroplasticity, and it runs in both directions. If weeks of scrolling can wear a deep groove, then weeks of different habits can carve a new one. The wiring that got rewired can be patiently rewired right back. Start with friction. Log out after each use. Bury the apps in a folder, off your home screen, or delete them for a week. Every extra tap you add is a small speed bump, a chance for the thinking part of your brain to catch up. Then, on purpose, let yourself be bored. Stand in a line and just stand there. Walk with no headphones. It feels itchy at first, but that itch is your attention span slowly, quietly starting to heal and stretch back out. And feed your brain slower, deeper rewards, the kind that pay off after minutes or hours instead of seconds. A book, a hobby, a real workout, a long talk. At first they feel dull. Give it 2 weeks and they start to feel rich again. And you do not need a dramatic month-long detox. Pick one friction and one boring habit and just repeat them. Small, boring, repeatable wins beat one heroic weekend of quitting that never quite happens. Give it 2 or 3 weeks and people describe the same thing, the colors of ordinary life turning back up, focus returning, a book finally pulling them in again. Life did not change. Their brain did. So yes, short videos really are rewiring your brain. That part is true, but you are not a helpless victim of it. Every time you choose the slower, harder thing, you take the lever back and you start rewiring yourself instead. Picture an afternoon where your focus does not shatter every 10 seconds, where a quiet moment feels good instead of unbearable, where a book actually pulls you in. That is not gone forever. It is only a few boring weeks away. So next time you catch yourself 45 minutes deep, do not beat yourself up. Just notice it, smile, and put it down. If this made your feed feel a little different, hit subscribe and like, and we will keep turning the world into doodles, one question at a time.